If a stranger walked into your house and questioned everything you believed, would you listen? Hi, I'm Ritain. Welcome to Movie Recommendations, Day 10. This film begins with the arrival of an unknown guest after decades of absence. He claims to be a relative, but no one is sure if he is telling the truth. As conversations unfold, the film slowly turns into a deep discussion about civilization, education, modern values, tribal life, and what it truly means to be cultured. Satyajit Ray uses simple dialogue to ask uncomfortable questions about society, progress, and hypocrisy. By the end, you left questioning yourself more than the character. The movie is Aguntuk. Watch it today. And if you have already watched it, tell me your opinion in the comment section. Bye.
মায়ের ভাষা ভুলতে না চাইলে কেউ বলে না, আর যারা ভুলতে চায় তারা 3 মাসের মধ্যে বলে। তার জন্য বিদেশে যাবারও কোনো দরকার হয় না।